Okay, so that's week 4. I'm gonna share this. Oops. Is someone talking just now? Today is 12, right? Oh, can you see? Okay. All right, last week we those who are not here, okay, but just for the sake of those who are have been with me, so I am just gonna continue. So it's just an extra practice for you. Now your school, Valerie, your avatar is very funny. Okay. I don't know. I don't have that because I think my blue screen or green screen, no, my green screen is not really working for my computer, for my laptop. I don't have enough memory to do that. So anyway, let's practice this. In school, you should have already done this topic. I know we started early, but since we're already here, and I don't want to waste the time since it's recording, let's practice this. You should have already learned this. It's just an additional practice, okay? Plus, minus, times, and divide. Let's try this question. Now, those who know how to use the digital pen, or you know your Zoom, there's annotate. Go to your mute, that bar, that whole stretch, go further to your right side. There's a pen sign there. You can actually use the pen sign and start drawing. Okay, so who wants to try this first step question? Anyone? Okay, Valerie, you can try using a pen and show me your first working. Don't just write your answer, okay? Write your working, and either that you can also type if you want to be neater. Yeah. Actually, we have enough space. So I'm gonna divide. I'm gonna divide, and then you can one side each one. All right. Thank you, Valerie. You can have the space, and Shihan, I'll just put SH. Okay. So you take the space and show me your step-by-step working. All right. So everyone have a chance to play with your magic pen and start drawing. You can actually use a mouse also, so not necessary you need a magic pen. Working? All right. You're working on your piece of paper first and then show me the step-by-step working. Good. I think the rest taking your time to come in. Okay, for those who cannot do the working, if you're still practicing on how to write with a digital pen, I can understand. Because the sensor and everything is not that easy unless you play with iPad a lot. Very good. I like that you are drawing diagram because for your level, you need to know how to draw a diagram, because at least with a diagram in exam, when you show your working, you'll be easier to secure your marks. Okay, so let's go through together. Isaiah has, no, he bought 2 packets of gold pen. Okay, so you got gold, 2 bags of brown. So there are 40 more gold than brown. Very good. So basically, you draw an extension of your 40. Okay, I got no space to put where our camera is. All right, and then he knows that the total is 84 pence altogether. So how many gold pens are there in each packet? So I got no place to draw, so I'm gonna just draw a short, small one. All right, so you gotta go a rectangular extension of, let's say this is 84. Oh, sorry, 40, not 84. Okay, this is 40 more than gold. So I'm gonna put 40 here. So basically this is my gold and my brown will be this size. Okay. So your diagram should look like that. And then total we have 84. Okay. How many gold pens are there in each packet? So we know for sure. Let's take these two are equal size. The blank space are equal size. So that two question mark, they are equal size. What I'm going to do is just take 84 minus 40 first. So I will get 40, right? Now 40 I divide by the two equal size rectangle. Okay, I divide by 2, my answer will be each one will be 20. Now how many gold? He bought 84 gold pens. Sorry, he bought 2 packets of gold pens and 2 bags of brown. So basically they are 2 each. So okay, it's not, I really don't have space. I'm gonna show you, because you are drawing, there's 2 packets. Now, not forgetting 2 gold. So basically I will have 2 sets of this part. Okay. So this is 40 extension. All right. And this is another one. That means I have 2 rectangles of extension with the extension 40. And then I have got the brown one, 2 brown one, the shorter one. So a total I've got 4. Okay. So yeah, I think if you all get your answer ready, so your drawing is supposed to be like that. Okay, this is gold, this is gold, this is brown, this is brown. So total is actually 84. So okay, you can write your answer and let's see whether you can. Our total is 34. Your answer is 34. So my total, the drawing here is 84. Okay, so one get 42, the other one get 34. Oops. Sorry if my screen is glitching. I don't know why. Maybe the internet is not that stable sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna clear off all the drawings so that I got the space and show you the correct drawing. So you see my drawing should be somewhat like that. I'm gonna show you the actual drawing. Okay, so your gold and brown is 40. All right, but there are 2 packets. Okay, so you know now one set is 44. What happens divided by 2 is 22. This is for one set. Now 2 packets, either that you use the same set, just do one set first, and then 2 packets, you just need to plus the other 40 first. So you get 62. 1 packet is 62 divided by 2, you get 31 pence. Okay, now just now someone get 34. Did you have a calculation error, mistake, careless somewhere? No? Okay, so basically, sorry, your 2 packets of gold, meaning to say that the total already, the gold packets, everything is inside here. The 2 is just a misleading. 2 packets is only a misleading one. Okay, so down here, 40 and 22 is already in the total of the 2 packets. Okay, so ignore the 2 packets. So here, you get 2 packets of gold, 22 plus 40, you get 62. Divide by 2, you should get 31. Okay, so I think someone got 34. You probably have a careless error somewhere. Check your answers again. All right. Okay, good job. Let's try the next one, number 16. Again, I'm going to give you the space. You can do the working here if you want, or yeah. Okay, I'll write your name initial there. Oh, hi, Rohan. You probably have to play back earlier. Okay, because we already started for a bit. This actually number 16 is actually from last week worksheet that we stopped halfway. I only got about 3 questions to go through, and then we'll go on to this week worksheet. Okay, if you can hear me.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can, I don't really have space because they're already doing, I already divide the space. So if you want to do your working on the paper first and then tell me your answer, and then I'll go through the working. Now this lesson, we're going to focus on drawing models. So I want you all to practice how to draw your model based on the problem sum. Okay, so can you draw on your piece of manual on your paper, and then get your answer and tell me whether you get your correct answer. Okay, I'll show you the drawing in a bit. So you got total cost of 1 dress, 5 identical shirts, which is $170. Now your dress costs 14 more. So we know the dress is 14 more than the shirt. How much does each shirt cost? I know some of you can be quite difficult to draw with digital pen. Don't worry about it. So I'm going to show you the computer graphic later. As long as your drawing on your paper matches, it means that you understand. If not, make sure you know your mistakes and ask me again if you do not understand. Okay? So you need to draw 1 bar for your dress. Extension with the 14, very good. So this side will be actually 14. I'm going to use a blue pen, nicer. Okay, more than the shirt. So your dress is 14 more than the shirt. Now I've got 1 dress and I've got 5 shirts. So someone got 26. Sihan, what's your answer? Rohan, what's your answer? Okay. Hi, how do I pronounce your name? Livy, is it? Okay, we have started for quite a bit. You probably have to play back the recorded video later. This is actually from the previous worksheet. I just need to complete another 2 more questions and then I'll go on to this week worksheet. Okay? Libby, if you can hear me. Okay, so all right, Valerie got 26. Shahan, what did you get? I can't hear you. Hi, Rakshan.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Like I said, this question is from last week worksheet. So I just need to go through 2 questions of this and then we'll go on to this week worksheet. Okay. So let me just finish this 2 first. All right. Those who have already got your answer, I'm going to clear this. Okay, I'm going to clear all your working and I'm going to show you the correct drawing. Now this lesson, I'm going to say again, I'm going to focus on the models. So make sure you learn how to draw your models because that you will have to learn to draw in the exam and be able to explain. Okay, so again, total shirt, 1 dress and 5 shirt is 170 with the dress $14 more than the shirt. So the total here is 170. Your diagram, your model should have 6 different